Want to connect your MacBook Air or Pro to a Dell docking station? It's easier than you think. Since 2016, MacBooks have used USB-C Thunderbolt ports, making physical connection to Dell docks straightforward. For the best experience, especially with newer MacBooks, M4, M5 chips, use a Dell dock with Thunderbolt 4, like the WD22TB4, and a Thunderbolt certified USB-C cable. This ensures optimal data transfer up to 40 gigabits, charging, and multi-display support. Simply plug the cable from your MacBook's USB-C port into the dock. Most basic functions like charging, Ethernet, and USB peripherals should work right away. Once connected, macOS should automatically detect your external displays. Go to System Settings, Displays to arrange them. Use the dock's DisplayPort or HDMI ports for connecting monitors. For multi-display setups with newer Macs, Thunderbolt ports enable daisy chaining. If you encounter issues like display flickering or charging problems, first make sure your macOS is up to date. If problems persist, resetting the SMC on your Mac might help. Remember that Dell's Dell Peripheral Manager app won't work on macOS for dock-specific firmware updates. If needed, update the dock's firmware using a Windows PC.